Hey guys, what's up? Well, I haven't made a video in a while, and yes, my voice just cracked. Becoming a man. But I haven't made a video in a while, so I decided you probably want me to make a video. Yeah, I know you're thinking to yourself, yeah, not really, I don't care about you, dude. But, well, if you're watching this, you may care. But right now, I learned something cool to do with the lighter in my hand. And it's not sexual. So... yeah. Okay. I'll do that again just because it's fun. Well, ta-da. Rate, comment, and if you ever want me to make a video of anything that's like crazy, military, or mercenary like, then go ahead. Because I'll probably make it because I have a lot of free time. Later.